What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're doing well. Today, guys, I really wanted to talk about the power of trading stocks. Specifically, I wanted to focus on AMD and give you a trade example. $2,216 in profit on AMD. Also made a little bit on Amazon, but Amazon's a little bit of a longer term swing trade for me, but AMD was strictly a day trade. And I just wanted to show you guys the power of day trading. Day trading is such a powerful tool that if you can master it, you can make thousands and thousands of dollars. It's that simple. You just got to make sure you manage your risk because there's going to be days when you're going to lose. All right. So it's a balancing act in day trading. And I hope with this video, I can kind of simplify it for you and show you the ways that I do it, specifically with automation has really changed my day trading forever. All right, my friends. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right, hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. Dr. D, what's going on? Mike, Anthony, the Bronx. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Let's welcome the Bronx in here, guys, with the 3. G-Man, what's going on? Who else do we have in the building, guys? Hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. Welcome, the Bronx. Good to see you. Arnaldo, what's going on? All right. Okay, so let's go ahead here. JJ, Kevin, same dude, what's going on? So let's go ahead here, and what we want to do is we want to set the stage, okay? So that's very important. So this is AMD today. So I'm just going to hit the replay, and I am going to go to 2 places. So I'm going to go to the Twitter first, and we are going to find AMD from yesterday, okay? So right here, I posted this yesterday on Twitter/X, whatever you want to call it. Our long 103.75, and I said AMD is my number 1. All right. So the first question is, why is AMD my number 1 pick? Well, AMD, guys, is always a very volatile stock in terms of day trading, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay. So when you're day trading, you want to move, okay, because you need things to move so you can profit. It's that simple. What's going on, Bill, Wesley? What's going on, guys? Popcorn, Sid. So right here, if we go back to the Twitter, so you can say we wanted to go long above 103.75. Okay. So 103.75 was our line in the sand. So why do we want to do that? And just want to also show you guys that I post that under the community tab. If you go here, this was posted yesterday as well. So make sure you're subscribed so you'll get access to that. But let's go ahead and let's look at the price action for the last 2 days. So this is Friday of last week, and this is Monday. So did you guys notice anything particular here with this? All right, let's just talk about this like 2 friends just talking, okay? What is really, what do we notice here? Is there something here that stands out? What do you guys think? Well, the first thing that I see, I'm going to take the rectangular box right here, is these 2 wicks, okay, right over here. So this wick right here, which was Friday's high, and this wick right here, which was Monday's high, right? So exactly, Anthony, it's like a double top formation. So what do we think can happen if we break and pierce, get the arrow right here, if we can break and pierce through these wicks, okay? What do you think can happen? So let's say you shorted here and you shorted here. If we turn around on Tuesday, right here, my friends, and we break through, the shorts can get squeezed, okay? We can get a stop run for the shorts, and they need to cover their position, right? So what I'm doing here is, you notice that I don't wait for the wick to break. Hit me with a 10 if you see that. I don't wait for the wick to break. Instead, what I'm doing is something I call front run, okay? Because front running, I'm getting in with the anticipation that it's going to break ahead of time. And the reason I do that is so I can make more money when day trading. If I wait for this wick to break, I've already missed the move of, let's say, 38 cents, 30.37% and on options, that's a lot. Okay. So I've front run using these levels. And what we can also see here, my friends, is the big box, small box setup. Okay. So go right here. Here's the big box, right? So this is Friday. Here's the small box, which is Monday. And that's right there. That's visually consolidation of price action. And what I'm going to do here, my friends, is I'm going to go ahead and again get the arrow, and you're going to see here we also have this kind of pennant pattern, triangle pattern forming. See that, guys? going on, Proto's Chips? Ellie, what's going on? So we have a lot of amazing things happening on AMD. That's why AMD was my number one pick going into today. And you can see here we had the higher lows, we had the double top, we had the consolidation, we had the inside bar on the daily. So we had so many ideas and concepts working towards this trade. And then when you stack multiple concepts together, that is when you can get these explosive moves. Even with a 5, that makes sense. Okay. So here we go. So now we just have to let the trade play out. So what I did is I went into broker. I have a good bit of videos on here. I'll show you this if you need to learn automation. Just click on that. Tradingwars.com, day trading university, lesson 1, automation. What? Why does this one say futures? Uh-oh. Got to fix that. For some reason that's going to automation. Okay, I gotta fix that. But down here, right here, how I enter Fibonacci and automated option trades. If you don't know how to do this, just watch this video. Okay. And that'll show you how to put those automated orders in. But anyways, so I put the order in basically saying this. So I bought shares. You can see right here, I do a lot of shares, guys, because I have a larger account. All right. But when I first started doing this, I started off with options because I couldn't afford all these shares. Now I trade a lot with margin with shares because I get exact size. Okay, so if I want to risk $1,000, I get $1,000 worth of shares. But if I do with options, it's not always guaranteed to risk 1,000. But when you're a small account, that's the approach you got to do sometimes. Okay, so I bought 878 shares today long on margin. Okay, and 103.75, that's my line in the sand. So I put in the broker, if we break 103.75, buy me 878 shares. Okay. And move the one if that makes sense. Now from here, let's let the price action play out. So remember, keep an eye on these wicks. Okay. So let's just go ahead now. And remember, we're looking to see what we expect that if we pass that white line, okay, if we pass this white line right here, guys, we're going to come into these wick territories and we want to see a squeeze. Okay. So here we go. First candle comes in, bang. Okay, so we're opening underneath. All right, so at that point, we are doing nothing. We're sitting on our hands. One thing that I wanted to show you guys was look at this outside bar. Okay, so if you wanted to even get it in ahead before me, you could have just taken that outside bar right there. But I waited for my level, bang, right there, boom, bang, bang. See that right there, guys? So that's the wick, little stop run. And these bears, it looks like they tried again. Okay, so they tried once, twice, and then they tried one more time right here on that outside bar. You could see that short pressure coming in, but the bulls consolidated and held it, and then we just took off from there. Boom. Okay, we moved to 17 if that's awesome. So this one was really nice because if you didn't want to go ahead and get in front of it, you could have waited for that consolidation right there. And after that consolidation, I love it. Look how it just sticks on that level, you know, like bang, 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 boom, right there, guys. So that one was really, really nice. So great day, you know, I made a lot of money on AMD, and I just wanted to share you guys that strategy. Watch the wicks on the chart. It's very, very powerful. Okay. Watch the wicks on the chart. So I already posted the picks for tomorrow. I posted it both on the YouTube and the X or whatever you guys want to call it these days, the Twitters. All right. So check it out. Follow me, and I want to show you the same concept in SPY. Okay, so the difference between SPY and the other stocks is I do that type of trading on SPY every single day. So if you look here, our level to go long on SPY going into the day was 443.15. I posted, these are automated plans. So if you want to take this long entry, you can use the 444 calls, and that's the whole point of the automation, is that you just set it and you forget it. Okay, so 443.15 right there, boom. So let's just watch, bang, 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 pierce through, and it's gone. Okay, very nice. So that one was a really nice one on SPY as well, but AMD, I went in with a lot of size. You can see I hit that with 878 shares. That's a lot. All right. But yeah, guys, look, that's it. Just wanted to show you that very simple strategy and follow along the picks and paper trade it and see how it goes. Stocks like AMD, you can make a living from day trading them. Stocks like Tesla, stocks like Nvidia, okay, the big boys, the ones that move, the ones that you have that volatility. All right, as a day trader, you can absolutely destroy these trades and make a ton of money. And if you want, you can swing a portion. So I don't do that anymore, but I used to back in the day. Nowadays, I because my size is so big, I don't want to take those chances. I've gotten burnt in the past, and I've also made a lot in the past doing this. But what you can do is if you have a day trade like this and you're up 2 grand, you can hold it for multiple days. Okay, hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. And if you do that, guys, and you get on one of these big runs, you can triple or 5 times your account pretty simply doing that. But remember, that is a very high risk strategy because overnight anything can happen, right? But the good news is if you're green on a trade and you have a cushion for the trade, that can give you that edge you need to carry it for multiple days. All right, guys, seminar is this Sunday. So right here, my friends, if we go to the event, the Trading War Seminar, New Golden Sniper, Fibonacci and Futures Edition. This is a very detailed training, guys. We have, I think, almost 100 people registered for September 3rd. That is this Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern. If you are a Trading Wars Army member and you have a green in your name, my friends, you are automatically eligible to come to this seminar. All you need to do is fill in this form right here, okay? You just fill in that form, put in your details, and you will get, I'm going to send that seminar link out pretty soon, sometime this week. All right, my friend, I have a sneak peek for you guys. Are you ready for a sneak peek at the book? Hit me with a 5. You guys ready? So I've been working on my finale, might be my last book here, because this one, I think I've kind of perfected it. This is, my friends, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. Put the seatbelts on. Okay, so here we go. Boom. All right, so I'm working on it still. I've spent a lot of countless hours doing this. And what I really am proud of is this style. This is what we're going to do, my friends. So let's take this one as an example. So this is May 12th. First of all, let's go ahead and just look quickly at this. So I have put together, this is 3 months of real trades, winning streaks, losing streaks, win rate percentage, profits of $16,000, total R, and this was not a large account. And then I have detailed trade examples with the broker statement, the chart, the exact callouts in Discord step by step. And then I wrote very, very detailed notes on why I took these trades and how I manage these trades. And I also have a video recording of a few of them. I actually recorded the trade, guys. And this was my dream, that I could bring this type of content to people from my real trades, guys, not from no bullshit that I researched online. Okay. Hit me with a 7 if you feel me. This is my real blood, sweat, and tears put into these trades. And I've documented it, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. All right, it's going to be a powerhouse book, okay? That's why I'm calling it The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. So this is what I'm going to do right now. I put a lot of work into this, guys. It's my life. Really, it is my life, and it's what I want to do. And I'm so grateful to have you guys on this ride. So this is what we're going to do. So I have this form right here that I put out. Anybody that fills in this form is automatically going to get 10% off the book. Okay, so this is like a pre-release. All right, so just go right there, my friends. It's going to take you right here. Click start, enter your name, email address, and are you a member of Discord? That's it. And when the book is ready, I will go ahead and email you the private link for the 10% off. And here's the thing that you're going to be amazed by. I'm going to create in the Discord a section for the Fibonacci Mastermind Society. All right. And it's going to be everything Fibs. A lot of these day trades, I don't tell you guys all my secrets, but a lot of them are based on Fibs. The reason I don't say it is because people will sell my content. I already have a few people that the books that I've written, they rewrote them and they're selling it for thousands of dollars, which I don't think is fair, because I don't think anyone should pay thousands of dollars for a book. So that's why I haven't really disclosed everything, but I will be talking about deeper things in the Fibonacci Mastermind Society, and you will get lifetime access with the purchase of the book. Okay, at least for the people that are in this group right here that signed up for the pre, I will make sure that you guys get into the Fibonacci Mastermind Society. And if you want to pre-order the book right now and wait, it's gonna probably take me till the end of September. All right. If you want to pre-order it right now, I'll do 20% off for 20 people. But you don't have to. You can wait. But you know, it might take me a good month because I need to get it professionally put together and published, like, you know, real nice, not just in Word or PDF. Okay. So shoot me an email, rich@tradingwars.com, if you want to be a part of that 20. You guys can see the, you know, the quality in there. I'm really proud of it. And we're just going to keep hitting it. All right. Let me think a little bit more about the price of the book because it's going to come with the lifetime access. So let me think about it a little bit more, but shoot me an email if you're interested, guys. And let me think about it. I mean, it's not going to be $5,000, guys. All right. I was thinking, tell me what you guys think is fair. Throw it in the chat right now. Let me see. What would you be willing to pay for this book? You can see right here. My real trades, broker statements, charts, detailed write-ups, my actual trades, and lifetime access to the Fibonacci Mastermind. You guys tell me, what do you think is fair? Actually, comment below. Okay, comment below. I'm gonna end the broadcast right here. Comment below. You let me know what's fair, guys. All right. Just want to make sure that I'm fair to you guys. All right. Thank you so much for your time, my friends. Very much appreciated. We're on a journey together, and I'm grateful to have you along. Just remember something. We will be remembered for the Fibonacci. We will. It's either you know about it or you don't. And once you know about the Fibs, guys, there's no turning back. And a lot of you do. That's why you're here. So we're gonna keep it rolling, guys. I have some new Fibonacci's in the process of development. But for every Fibonacci, like the 618 here, the reason why, guys, let's go back to this. The reason why I make a book on this is because I've invested $100,000 plus day trading these things. So I feel like I could talk about it, right? I feel like I can talk about it because I actually did it, right? But I'm not gonna just say, oh, you know, this fib is good, that fib is good, unless I'm actually doing it, right? Like, look at these trades right here, guys. Look at this. See? Like, this is real, okay? So I want to make sure that I give you guys quality. Thank you so much for your time, my friends. Please comment. Let me know what you think is fair price for the book. I'll see you again tomorrow. I hope we bang another winner. And I just want to finish this month strong, okay? Let's do it, guys. All right? Thanks so much. Take care.